This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Okay, so ours came broken, as you can see, but we have wood glue, so we'll just glue it. So it's not too big of an issue for us. We can easily glue that back on. So kind of ignore that. If you guys have an issue, just return it. So this is what it looks like. It's made of all wood. So this is the cam. It's a standard cam. Most bird cams are pretty much the same thing. SD card and all that fun stuff you put in the bottom. Here's a solar panel that it uses, which is pretty much standard solar panel that most bird cams use.